Now for something a little bit fancier at your kids' bake sale, my lemon raspberry sticky buns. Kids of all ages are gonna love these. I've got buttermilk, sugar, and yeast in here. Buttermilk makes sticky buns extra tender. And butter, of course. And just a few more ingredients for my sticky buns dough. It's time for the flour, and once I get all of that in here, it's gonna become a stiff dough. This is what I'm looking for, a nice tacky dough. If it's not tacky, your buns will be too dry. This dough just needs a little time to chill out. Don't we all? See what a little me time can do? This dough is now full of air and ready to become buns. Butter helps the filling stick. Some sugar for sweetness. Whole berries hold up really well in this filling. Now, when it comes to cutting any kind of rolled up bun, string or dental floss, check it out. Oh, and if you're gonna use floss, don't use the minty kind. Let's snuggle these in together. Rise again. Look at that. Now I gotta do the next part quickly because I wanna glaze these while they're still nice and warm. I've got icing sugar, and this is the lemon in the lemon raspberry sticky buns. There's so much flavor in the zest. Lemon zest and the juice. I want all the flavor from this fruit. Touch of vanilla. And milk. everyone knows, the best part of lemon sticky buns is the sticky glaze. Well, it's time. Wow, look how soft and fluffy that is on the inside. Forget the bake sale. Stay at home, make a tray of these, and just eat them all. You are gonna be in heaven. It's fluffy, it's tangy, it's fruity. It's everything a sticky bun should be. Bring any of these treats to a bake sale, and you are gonna be a big hit.